Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic video, and we are here with another new table topic. So let me see what's the table topic for today. Okay, I think my record or the database of topics is going to finish, and we will think about what to do. Okay, let me get the table topic. The table topic for today is color affects the way people feel. Color affects the way people feel. Color affects the way people feel. It's absolutely true, right? I think everybody knows it. The colors affect the way people feel. And that is why there have been some colors which are, red color is supposed to anger you or uh, draw like angerness or something different, uh, you know, but there is a black color. But if we go back and think about it uh, uh, in a different way, right now the way we feel about the colors is the way we have been taught about the colors. If you are the person you don't know anything about the colors, or if you just uh, look at the color, different colors, these are just colors for you. But over the period of time, the world has conditioned ourselves that how should we feel about different colors. And while just thinking about this topic, it gave I realized that uh, if I feel something different about color, it is because of condition, because the way I condition, because the red color is supposed to anger or something. So right now I'm just taking the opinion that yes, it affects the color, the way we feel. But if you go back and think about, it doesn't have to be that way. You can define your color for your happiness. You can define the kind of feeling that you have towards your colors, and that feeling can be unique to you. So my take on this is that yes, we have been conditioned uh, for the feeling towards a different color. But honestly, it doesn't have to be like that. You can create your own emotion towards the different colors. Maybe the red color might be better for you. Maybe the red color is something that gives you peace or something, it gives you happiness. So we need to think about it. How do we want to feel towards different colors of life? It's just a different color. That's it. Thank you. Over to you.